Hey everyone, Daniel here. If you're diving into crypto or thinking about it, you might be about to make some huge mistakes without even knowing it. Today, we're breaking down the 7 biggest crypto mistakes beginners make and exactly how you can avoid them. Stick around because mistake number 4 alone could save you thousands. Alright, let's jump straight into mistake number 1, not doing enough research. You wouldn't buy a car without checking its history, right? Yet so many beginners jump into crypto without understanding the coins they're investing in. But here's the twist. How much research is actually enough? And how can you quickly and effectively do it without getting overwhelmed? We'll cover a simple method for this in just a moment. Mistake number 2 is something I see all the time: falling for hype. Crypto markets thrive on excitement and social media buzz, but blindly following trends is dangerous. Remember when everyone said Dogecoin was going to the moon? It skyrocketed, then crashed spectacularly, leaving many investors burned. But what exactly separates valuable hype from harmful hype? Keep watching because I'll reveal an easy rule to spot the difference. Now on to mistake number 3, trading emotionally. Ever panic sold a coin right before it bounced back up? Trust me, you're not alone. Emotions like fear and greed drive many beginners' decisions, leading to poor results. But how do professional investors remain calm even when the market crashes? The secret to emotional trading might surprise you, and it's something anyone can learn. Okay, let's hit mistake number 4, ignoring security. This one is massive. Imagine waking up to find your crypto wallet completely empty. It happens more often than you'd think, usually because of easily preventable security mistakes. What are the simplest yet most powerful steps to keep your crypto safe from hackers? In a moment, I'll give you a checklist that could literally save your investments. Mistake number 5 is also common: not diversifying. Maybe you're thinking, but Daniel, I just found the perfect crypto. Why diversify? Well, no matter how promising a coin looks, putting all your eggs in one basket is a huge risk. Think about what happened to Luna. Investors who went all in lost everything overnight. So, what's the smartest way to diversify your crypto portfolio without complicating things? I'll share a straightforward strategy shortly. That brings us to mistake number 6, chasing quick profits. Crypto success rarely happens overnight. Beginners often get frustrated when their coins don't 10x immediately. They jump from coin to coin, constantly chasing new opportunities, and miss out on long-term gains. Ever heard the phrase, time in the market beats timing the market? There's a powerful truth behind it, and I'll explain exactly how patience can drastically boost your earnings. And finally, mistake number 7, using unreliable exchanges or wallets. Many beginners sign up for sketchy platforms offering low fees or bonuses, only to end up losing their crypto altogether. But how can you quickly tell if a platform is safe or shady? Believe me, there are a few easy-to-spot red flags you should never ignore. So far, we've outlined the 7 biggest mistakes, but now it's time to dig deeper into each solution. How exactly do you research effectively, spot harmful hype, or control your emotions in trading? And what's that simple security checklist that'll protect your crypto assets forever? The answers to all these questions and more are coming right up, so don't go anywhere. You won't believe how simple some of these solutions actually are. All right, let's start fixing mistake number 1, doing proper research. The trick to effective crypto research is actually pretty simple. First, always check the project's official website and white paper. Is the roadmap clear and achievable? Next, visit communities like Reddit and Twitter. But here's the twist: never take comments at face value. Instead, look at the overall sentiment and see if experienced users support or warn against it. Finally, always verify who's behind the project. Transparency and an experienced team usually mean reliability. Sounds easy, right? But wait till you see how easily people get fooled without these basic checks. Now, let's tackle hype. Mistake number 2. Not all hype is bad. Some projects deserve excitement. The key is to spot genuine innovation versus empty promises. Ask yourself, does this crypto actually solve a real problem, or is it purely riding on speculation? Check for actual use cases, partnerships with credible businesses, or endorsement by respected experts. If a coin promises unbelievable returns with no real-world application, steer clear. You're looking at harmful hype. On to emotional trading, mistake number 3. How do you stay calm when the market's plunging? Professional investors rely on something called dollar-cost averaging. Instead of investing all your money at once, spread your purchases over time, buying regularly at fixed intervals. This takes emotions out of the equation because market highs and lows balance out over time. But that's not all. Setting strict stop losses can also help limit your downside and keep you calm even in tough times. Remember mistake number 4, security? Here's the simplest checklist you need right now. Always enable two-factor authentication, choose strong, unique passwords, and store your crypto in a reputable hardware wallet instead of leaving it on exchanges. Also, be cautious about unsolicited messages or emails asking for your crypto details. These are almost always scams. Following these quick steps can literally save your entire portfolio. Let's talk about diversification, mistake number 5. The simplest diversification strategy is spreading your investments across different types of cryptocurrencies. Hold a balanced mix, some Bitcoin and Ethereum for stability, a few promising altcoins for growth potential, and maybe a small percentage for higher-risk projects if you can tolerate volatility. Diversification doesn't have to be complicated, but it's your best defense against the unexpected. Now about mistake number 6, chasing quick profits. Patience is incredibly powerful in crypto. Remember, the biggest gains usually come from holding fundamentally strong coins over time. Quick flips rarely work consistently. Instead, focus on investing in projects you truly believe in, and then hold them through short-term volatility. This simple approach often yields far better results than frantic trading ever could. Finally, how do you avoid mistake number 7? Using unreliable platforms. Always check the platform's reputation first. Look for proper licensing, transparent fee structures, positive user reviews, and good customer support. Avoid platforms promising bonuses that seem too good to be true. They usually are. Stick to trusted exchanges and wallets even if the fees are slightly higher. Peace of mind is worth more than a few extra bucks. So, there you have it. The 7 biggest mistakes beginners make in crypto, and exactly how you can avoid them. Navigating the crypto world doesn't have to be scary or complicated. Just by following these simple rules, you'll put yourself way ahead of most beginners. Ready to become a confident crypto investor? Drop a comment below and let me know which of these mistakes you've personally made or almost made. And don't forget to subscribe for more essential crypto guides and tips. See you in the next video.